D&D Sports can be found on all social media, including Instagram. We are also now a full-service Traxxas exclusive dealer.
Hey, welcome back to another week of What's New in the RC Shop. And today we got 4 boxes on the table, but this is a combination of an order received on Monday and an order received on Wednesday. This is also an exciting week because we are taking delivery of the Max on Thursday. So that'll be added to this video before we release it. So let's take a look at what we got this week. I'm going to start with a small box. And it looks like it is a completer pack and some batteries. We'll pull all that out and check them out. Alright, the next one we're going to look at is this big box here. And of course it is full of packaging peanuts. Looks like there might be 2 trucks in this box. Stampede and a Rustler 4x4. We'll pull all those out. But before we do that, let's check out what is in this small box. Here's the bills. And looks like we got all kind of parts. We're gonna have to pull everything out of there so we can check them out. And we got one more big box on the table. Looks like there's at least one TRX4 Sport in there. And another TRX4 of some sort. Let's pull that out and we'll put everything on the table and check it out. Alright guys, so everything that was in those boxes, we'll start up here on top. This is a 4S completer pack. So that is for the Max. Got some LiPo batteries. That 5,000 milliamp 4S battery is also for the Max. We got a tan TRX4 Sport. And we got an orange Sports Trax. Top here we got a green and blue E-Revo body. We got the Rustler 4x4 and the Stampede. So if you're new to the channel, you see that red line down the side, that's battery and charger not included, where up on this truck you see the DC, the blue lines of the DC and battery are included. We got some light kits for the Max. We're starting to get some of the Max parts in. Wheels here, 8970. Those are actually Max wheels. Right. Some of the other parts you'll see laying here are for the Max also. We got 2 of Traxxas battery chargers, TRX4 Sport rack. Alright guys, there are lots of parts, lots of new parts. So if you're out checking out our website, I will get these uploaded here sometime this week. Looking forward to the Max release later on this week. Alright, D&D Sports fans, it is Thursday, and as you can see, these boxes are pretty large sitting here. I know what's in them, but we'll start with this one first. And it looks like the only thing we have in here is a Unlimited Desert Racer. So we'll pull that out and check it out here in a minute. The big boxes, they're both exactly the same. And as you can see, this is the delivery of the Max. These 4 are all orange. Looks like there's another orange one, a red one, and a blue. We'll pull them all out and set them on the table, but we got one little small box here yet. I'm going to assume it's just more parts. And that is exactly what it is. So we will pull everything out and set it on the table so you can see it all. Alright guys, so here is everything unboxed. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Traxxas Max. We got 1 UDR. And check these out. These are just released. You've seen the orange sandrails before and you've seen the blue ones. But now they have yellow, green. These are also some other Traxxas Max parts, so they're going to be making some different color parts so you can change your A-arms and things like that. Got a light kit for the UDR. And here is some more Max parts. So they got green and blue, orange and red. And the center hubs that like on the red ones, they're red. Those ones are like a blue color, but you also have orange and green are available. Oh, looks like there might be white A-arms over there also. So when I do the review of the Max, I will have all these kind of laid out with it so everybody can see it. But if you pre-ordered a Max from me, they will be shipping out tomorrow, Friday. I will be in touch with you, let you know your tracking number and everything like that. If you want to get your hands on a Max, you can either reach out to me through this channel or through our Facebook page or through our website at www.ddgamezone.com. Again, that's ddgamezone.com. Alright guys, this is it for this week. Thanks for watching. If you are new to the channel, please click that subscribe button, turn the bell on so you get notified every week when we release a new What's New in the RC Shop.